my name's Jack. I'm a doctor in London. We first got the apartment back in November last year. And one thing that we know when we first got the place was we wanted aircon for the summer. So when we were first looking at solutions, we didn't think it was possible because of building regulations. So we looked around the internet for options that we can have for cooling in an apartment. This is the 9th floor. We came across Urban Cooling. They come to do the survey, said what solutions I can have, what they can do for me, and the whole process was very quick, very easy, and gave me a quote. And I think their quote is very standardized. It was just, how many bedrooms you got, and that's a fixed price. So it seems very open and transparent in terms of the pricing. I think one of the biggest advantages of having a 3-port designer unit compared to my old, just a normal Mitsubishi one with an outdoor unit is that everything here is internal. You don't need to go through building regulations, even in a high-rise apartment. It's just all kept within. So it just cuts out a lot of the hassle, and you don't get a condenser outside, which just from a kind of a design look, it looks a lot cleaner. And I think it's a great solution to having aircon, especially in the UK with the building regulations. So I would definitely consider this solution. And I think for us, it's worked out brilliantly. We've got an aircon unit in every room. It cools down the house just like a normal conventional aircon would. So there's really no cons to the solution here. And then the journey with Tony and his team has been really good. He arranged a date with me to come look at the site itself, work out where the units were going to be or where I want the units and what was best for the apartment. And essentially from there, his team just came, redid the plumbing, did all the electricity and made good and everything afterwards as well. The process has been really smooth, and as you can see in the background, the aircon's just keeping the apartment nice and cool. So I'm looking forward to using that during the summer. So for me, I definitely recommend, especially if you live in an apartment, to just inquire, just make that first step and see what solutions they have for you.